How to recover Discord deleted message or messages. Once a Discord messages is deleted, it is permanently removed from Discord server and cannot be recovered. Discord does not hang on your device. Go to notifications, then you have these notification history. This is basically where you will be able to find all of your notifications, and if you've already enabled these options or toggle the button, you will be able to find the deleted message here as well in the notification bar. Next, if you own or manage a server, you can use a bot to log message. So what you could do is just go ahead and launch open Discord and locate the server. This is the one. You go to the messaging or the general text section, and you could set up an activity log model on a dashboard to track message deleted and message edit event as well. So this way you should be able to find. Otherwise, you could go ahead and request for your data. To do that, just tap the U from the bottom and select the gear icon from the top right, and after which you just want to make sure to go ahead and select privacy and safety or data privacy. This is where you have request your data, and that's how you should be able to request for your data. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.